y'all, man? It's your boy Dog, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This should have been the first video I ever made, bro. I made a video about the hood, the tune, all that other stuff. This should have hands down been the first video I ever made on this channel, bro. But before we get into it, bro, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that like button, bro. Y'all be watching the videos and not dropping the likes, bro. Can we get this video to 100 likes? I'm not asking for 100 likes, bro. You know what I'm saying? We get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 views on every video, bro. But we only get a couple likes, bro. Make sure y'all drop a like right now, man, if y'all rocking with your boy. And also, if you're not a part of the family yet, bro, make sure you hit that sub button and turn that noti bell on to get all the notifications, man. But enough of that talking, let's get straight into it, bro. Like I said, this should have been, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the Chrysler 300, huh? You know what I'm saying? This should have been the first thing I put in the car, bro. As y'all can see, we have a box right here, man. J and L. You know what I'm saying? Oil separator, y'all. Hey, today, man, we got an oil catch cam we about to install into the Chrysler 300, y'all. You know what I'm saying? The thing in the rust and all lights and shit. But we finna install this oil separator. This is the first time I'm touching my engine by myself. You know what I'm saying? We gotta take some components out the engine and everything, and then we're gonna put this thing in. But like, y'all don't judge my hand, but I'm gonna tell y'all what this does, bro. You know what I'm saying? Your boy just got off work. God damn, my shit ashy. Anyway, this right here, bro, catches all the loose oil that falls in your car, bro. If y'all don't know, when you push your car, you know what I'm saying, heavy high miles per hour and stuff like that, bro, basically oil drips out, bro, and it can get into your engine and cause problems long term. So this should be the first thing you ever buy if you got a race car. It don't matter if you got a Mustang, a Corvette, Mopar, don't matter, bro. Get you an oil catch can, because basically it catches, god dang this shit. Basically it catches all the oil, and every time you get an oil change, or maybe once a month, you know what I'm saying, you just unscrew it just like that and dump the oil out. You know what I'm saying? Now it won't, you know what I'm saying, spill into my engine and cause problems and jams and stuff like that, bro. But like I said, this is the first time I'm touching like my engine for real. But we just bought us you know what I'm saying, a tool set off Facebook Marketplace for $50, y'all. Your boy got lucky. This thing costs like 150, 200. I got it for 50 beans. All right, y'all. So all y'all gonna need for this to install this, bro, you know what I'm saying, you just need this little piece to put right here. I put the other one on already. I don't know what this called, but put this on right there. You got your stand. You got a 13mm screw. You got some regular little screws to put inside the mount. You see those two holes for the two screws. So you just need a wrench and you just need a Phillips screwdriver, bro. That's all you need for this, bro. So you do not need much, man. But now we about to get into it. Let me watch this tutorial real quick because I don't know what I'm doing. And then I'm going to show y'all how to do it.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all. So the first thing we going to have to do, bro, like I said, I put this one on already. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this is hard as hell to put in. I ain't gonna lie. So if you got some pliers, bro, just squeeze right here, bro, and it's gonna loosen up this rubber and you can put it in. I ain't got no pliers, so I'm gonna be back when they both in, bro. It's a little dark, so I gotta hurry up, bro, but we got the pliers and we got these on. Basically, all you need to do with the pliers is squeeze on the end of the rubber, and basically it's gonna slip right in. No diddy. Bam, we got that right here. Now the next thing we need to do, bro, is basically put the mount on, bro. The mount is gonna go right here. You know what I'm saying? This little thing right here. All you gotta do is take this out. Bam, right there. You know what I'm saying? It's a little, whatever you want to call this plastic thing that goes into this little hole right here, and that's where we're gonna set up the mount. Bam, y'all see the hole right here? It's gonna go right over where the mount is, just like that, bro. I don't know if y'all can see that, bro, clearly or not, but y'all see that where that little pin go. Bam, and then that's where the 13mm screw gonna go too as well. Boom, we gonna put the little, you know what I'm saying, screw in there. Ain't no way I just dropped the screw in there. But anyway, bro, like I said, bro, put the screw in there. You know what I'm saying? All right, bam. So we finally got the screw in, bro, after like 10 minutes, bro. So y'all see the little stand is right here, bro. Now we're gonna have to tighten it up with a 13mm. All right, y'all, so we tighten this up right there, you feel me? So that's nice and tight, pause. So now we gotta take these out right here. I don't know if y'all can see these. So basically we gotta take these off. We're gonna leave this on, and we're gonna leave this on, and we're gonna have to rotate this towards us. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So Ben, you wanna grab your pliers. You know what I'm saying? This is so hard to do with one hand, y'all. Hey, y'all really gotta drop likes on this, bro, because this is hard as hell to do with one hand. I got the flashlight and the camera in one hand. So basically just squeeze on that, turn it, get it loose, pause, and it should come right out. Yeah, this is a two-hand job thing, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. All right, so like I said, we kept this one on. This one came off a little bit, but basically we just gonna throw this back on. At first, this was like this, you know what I'm saying? This was pointing straight to us. This was like this. So now we gotta put it back on and flip it this way though. So bam, towards the catch can, not away. It was like that at first. Now we pointing it towards us. Simple as that, bro. So the next step is to put this on the stand, put the 2 screws at the top that I showed you at the beginning, and then basically just plug this one into here, and this one into here, and we done, bro. It's simple as that. So shit, let me hurry up and do this real quick. All right, y'all, so we got everything in, man. Finally, we got the 2 screws at the top, you feel me? We got the 13mm bolt at the bottom, and then we just had to plug the tools, you know what I'm saying, into the old tools, you feel me? Whatever they call, bro. I don't know what they call, bro, but we got the job done, bro. Ain't gonna lie, this job only took about 30 minutes if I didn't fuck up. I didn't show y'all, but I lost one of these screws and I have to run to Lowe's real quick to get a spare screw, bro, because the screw fell somewhere down here, bro, and I don't know where it went. It's not under the car. It might be like under the little cover or above the cover, like engine cover or some shit like that. I just wanted to work on the car a little bit, man. I ain't gonna lie, that's a mod that is very necessary to have, y'all. So make sure y'all go and buy y'all an oil catch can. Mine was a J&L, you know what I'm saying? I showed y'all at the beginning of the video, the cover of the box. It's a J&L oil separator, basically an oil catch can. So bam, we got that thing installed, bro. I'm sorry, y'all, it was nighttime while I did this, man, but I hope y'all kind of got an understanding what I had to do, you know what I'm saying? Get a little cold. Oh, I can't start the car with the hood up? No, that's actually sick. All right, y'all, so we're gonna get a cold start real quick. You know what I'm saying, with the new oil catch can. Let me pop the hood real quick so we can see how it looks. I ain't gonna lie, we definitely got a HEMI tank, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. But we got that oil catch can in, everything looking nice and clean. Everything sturdy. That thing not moving at all. I might go over with a wrench one more time, but there it is right there, bro. I really do hate that HEMI tick, but it's all good though, man. But that's it for today's video, man. I'm actually proud of myself, bro. You know what I'm saying? I know it's just an oil catch can, y'all, but it's the first thing I've done to an engine, bro. You feel me? Like, this is the first time I touched the engine and actually put something on this motherfucker. So I'm a little proud of myself, G. Like I said, bro, this should be the first thing y'all put in y'all car, bro. Fucking oil catch can, bro. This is gonna save y'all engine long term. You know what I'm saying? I got the tune and some more shit, so I really need everything I can use to keep this engine going, you feel me? So I know it's just a 5.7. We're gonna get that Hellcat soon, but I'm gonna hold on to this 5.7 a little bit. I might take this 5.7 out and put it into a new build. Y'all let me know. I'm thinking about putting this into like a 2nd gen Charger or maybe a Dodge Magnum, bro. Y'all let me know if I should do that, bro. Put the 5.7 when I get my Hellcat. I'm gonna put the Hellcat engine in here, and then I'm gonna put this old 5.7 into like a Dodge Magnum or something, bro. Something different, bro. You feel me? Shit, that's it, y'all, man. I hope y'all enjoyed, man. Just a cool little quick video installing something real quick, man. Hey, make sure y'all stay tuned, bro. I got some bangers coming out very soon for y'all. So make sure y'all subscribe, turn that noti bell on, man. Hey, I appreciate everybody who's supporting. We about to hit 3K subscribers, bro. We hit 1K, 2K. We about to hit 3K. So let's keep it going. And your boy finna get monetized, man. So I really appreciate y'all. I love y'all for all the support, man. And I'm out.